Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today is another design team journal project share, and I am using the digital kit Birds by Creating with Jovi. I'm going to show you a little screen recording up here of this really fun and pretty collection. And also along with that digital collection, I used images from this book, The Best of Birds in Blooms 2020. Now I bought this in a live sale from Carol, The Crinkled Path, and the lace that I also used on this journal is from that live sale. But look at the images in this book. Oh, so many wonderful, beautiful bird images and flowers. So here is the journal I created. I did alter a Helen Steiner, I believe it was, and she's like a Christian poet. So there's a lot of like Christian God themed poetry in this book. So I altered that book and mixed in images from Jovi's collection. So this is how I wrapped it up. And I just did the one single bow because I thought that'd be really pretty. And then I used a really nice that book image. And then these are fussy cut, and I layered those on top. Then we have this beautiful lace that I covered the entire book with, along with these rose gold book corners. So pretty. So let's get into it. Oh, I must have forgot to do something. That's okay. It's has so many pieces of ephemera in here. So this is the inside cover, and this is a banner, and then I just collaged some pieces on top, and it has a pull-out journaling tag or card. So pretty. And it just slips right back in. I had a lot of fun mixing, the printed collection with the book images. That's fussy cut on. This came from the collection. Look how fun these two birds are. And then I left this page empty in case you wanted to fill it out or write a little dedication to yourself. And then I also left the name of the book, and here it is. Yeah, Helen Steiner Rice is the author. And I left this page so you can see all the other books that she has done. And right here, I turned this one into a pocket, and you pull it out, and it has this really pretty photo mat. You put a photo on the back of here, you could write on the back of it, whatever you like. But it's so pretty. I love that image. And here's the back of that pocket. I just did some collaging here, one of the pages from the digital collection, and then some stamping over it. And here we have another page where I collaged a little bit and left some of the page how it was. And then I matted this beautiful little cutout piece on top of some the brown the craft paper. And then this is super sweet little photo mat, or you could write on the back of it. That's why I left these without lines, because you could put a little photo on the back and then slip that in. And I left this pretty clean. I didn't do a lot of interactive things. I left this page completely blank in case you want to write, collage some photos on it or something. Here we have a pocket from the book, page from the digital, and then I just did some stamping. I die cut out some tags and then collaged some cute images from the book. Really pretty. I love that yellow flower. Oh, I need to glue that little piece back down. And then I made some journaling cards with some stenciling and inking, and I just glued them in different spots of the book. Then I fussy cut out, you know, some images, stuck them on. So cute. Some of the pages I did glue together so they're extra sturdy. I left some of the poetry untouched so you could still, if you like poetry, you know, you can still come and read some of the poems that she intended to be read in this book. Cute little tag from that you could journal on the back of. A cutout that I matted on the craft paper and then fussy cut this cute little nest. I just thought that would be so cute. It's a little journaling spot on top of this big pocket here, which you could add so many things to. On the inside of this one, I have this really large photo mat. So on the back, you could add a really big photo and write if you choose to. So pretty. These images in that book were just, oh, lovely. I had a hard time because a lot of them, since it's double-sided, you know, I had a hard time picking which ones I want to cut out because I had to make sure I really love that one because if not, it might destroy the other image on the other side. That's how great the book was. I was so caught between a lot of images trying to figure out which ones to cut. Here, this is from the collection, the digital collection, and I just fussy cut them out. Same page, just different spots of that page, and then glued them on top of like this little scene here. Another one of the poetry. This one is a pocket, and then the little birdie, and another little photo mat. Here we have another page from the digital collection. I did the stamping again. Here we have like a little fold up half page pocket. I like making these. The little bird image with a frame I die cut out. We have little birdies just in there for fun. A little music note envelope that I decorated with a little jar and a fussy cut out a little hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. That's my favorite type of bird. What is your favorite type of bird? Leave it in the comments. Oh, I love this bird. Here is so pretty. So I just fussy cut it out, most of the page, and just stuck it on. Did some stamping. This is really simple, straightforward type of journal here. I have this really big tuck space on this side instead of making it a pocket because you can come down this way and add things and then come out this way. And here we have this really beautiful hummingbird trying to feed his little babies in the nest. And that's a photo mat. There's plenty of space to personalize this journal to make it yours as well. We have another little journaling card I did with some stenciling and inking, pieces of cutouts from the digital collection. I'm going to be putting this altered book in my Ko-fi shop. So I'll have the links to all that. This page here is from the collection, and I did the stamping on top with the script. Here is a little corner triangle type pocket. I got this die set from PewDiePie Designs, I believe it was. And I love it. It's so fun. And those little birdies are so cute. Here we have just the plain page. And I figured on these pages that I don't have anything on, you could just collage photos on them or put a couple photos and maybe add a little something to write. We have a little side tuck here. And I did, I did collage some papers on here. Just a little envelope. Another beautiful poem. Here I made a pocket from one of the second place prize winners of a photo contest. They won with this beautiful photo of this hummingbird. And I just love it. It's so pretty. It's playing in the water, cleaning its wings. Oh, I love hummingbirds. And this is the tag I put in the pocket. This is fussy cut. This is just a sticker from my collection. And that is also a sticker I have in my collection, my stash. Fussy cut out some birds here. Did some stamping. This one is another large pocket. So you can add whatever you like to that. Here we have an owl peeking out. And then I put a little journaling card here. Again with the stenciling, inking around. And this was a 2-page poem that I left alone. All I did was fussy cut out some roses from the collection, the digital collection, and glued them on in random spots. That way you could read this beautiful poem. I figured someone who's Christian would, the way to God, they would appreciate that poem. So I left it alone. Beautiful page here. And here we have another page that's collaged, and I glued down this envelope, fussy cut out a little nest, made a little tag. Actually, this tag was in my stash, I believe, my Ephemeral Madness stash. I just pulled it out, stuck it in here because I like the colors. And we have another poem you can read. Now this is a pocket that I glued down. You might have seen this before. A while back I created them along with this journaling card or photo mat. And then a cute little coronal that I had in my stash that was gifted to me. And then a little mini tag, because I always got to have something mini. And then it says Scenic Views. I thought that went perfect. I love this colored green, and I made it into a little tuck space right here. I love the illustrations in this book. Here we have another one of the little fold-up pockets, fold-up page pockets. We have a tag, another bird tag that you could journal on the back. And I did some collaging here, some washi tape, some paper, and a beautiful butterfly sticker. And on the back of that, I just fussy cut out this from the book. They're hanging on the bird feeder. How cute, huh? And just put some paper there. And here we have a page from the collection. You could do a collage of photos on. We have another page from the collection, and then one of the pockets, tuck pockets I made. I love that beautiful rose. On this page, I made this double pocket a while back. This is a top pocket right here, and then this is the pocket right here. And then we have this really cute bird for this journaling tag. So super cute. Even let it peek out, let the little eye peek out. Another poem, some writing space. Collage some different pages here, put a pocket, and I matted it on the craft paper. This is a page from the book that is on another one of the big, huge pockets. And here for this page, I did some fussy cutting and layering. This is from the digital collection. This is from the book, and the owl's from the book. Or not an owl, that bird, I mean, is from the book. And I just, layered them up right here to make kind of like a little scene, like they're hanging out in front of this stump. Beautiful little Christmas bird page. I love these little holly berries and stuff. So then I matted this side onto the craft paper, made a pocket at the top where you could pull down. This is just a little tag I made to go inside. You could write on the back, you could put a photo on the back and just slip it in. Another double page poem that I left alone. And then I left this one alone also because it's a Christmas Day poem. And then I have like the holly berries with the little birdies on it. And it looks like there's snow in the back, so it's got to be like a wintertime Christmas type deal. And on the back of that one, I put the second half to this page right here with some stamping on it. We have another one of the little fold up pockets, and I just did some magazines here and like a little, I don't know if you want to call it, let's call it patchwork, and like a little patchwork. Here is another tag with pretty flowers, journal on the back of that one. And on the back of this one, I cut out this beautiful beautiful bird with these fun flowers, and it just fit perfectly right there, so super excited. Here we have a writing space. This is from the collection, and I stamped on it, and this is from the book. Just really pretty, vivid book that was. I really enjoyed it. Paper collection. This one's from the book. Into the pocket here. And I love this big owl that I fussy cut. It fit perfectly. Oh, and it's so cute. And that's on another one of the big pockets. So you could store all kinds of things in there. Letters, notes, ephemera, whatever you like. Here we have another Christmassy type fall page, I want to say. I'm going to say Christmassy, winter, yeah. And I just did some stamping on that. And then this is the end where she gives her thanks to everyone. And then I left this page empty in case you want to, I don't know, write on it, collage photos on it, make it your own. And then on the back cover here, I have the beautiful hummingbird. So cute. Love it. And that is the end of the journal. I really love how this one came out. I had a lot of fun making it. It is a little bit chunky. So if you like it way chunkier, you could always add your own elements to it. So like I said, it will be in my Ko-fi shop. I'm going to try to have it up by Saturday at the latest. I have a few things I got to do, but I'm pretty sure I can work it in before Saturday. So thank you guys for joining me. Be sure to check out the description box below for how you can get Jovi's digital kit. It's in her Etsy shop. You're going to love it. She has so many fabulous digitals in there, and they're not expensive, you guys. So go ahead and check her out, and I'll see you in the next one.